here's the deal. I'm supposed to go in the basement and do this video about how we're turning this basement into like home-like. And we're not done, obviously. Ryan's done a lot of work before we even moved in. So if we rewind for a minute, before we even moved down, Ryan went to South Carolina to get some work done on the basement because there was like no lights, the ceiling was disgusting, and he just wanted to make it livable. So I stayed back in Texas and I packed, I played single mom, hung out with the kids, and he enjoyed, I say that like loosely, he went back to the lake and spent hours upon hours after working full days just to get the lights up. He like repolyed the ceiling, and then Ryan repainted the entire basement before we unpacked any of the toys. So that's kind of where we're at right now. Just enough has been done so it's safe, it's light, there's fresh paint, and the toys have been unpacked. But it's still a little rough. But I don't even want to go down there. It's cold. It's a mess. It's a basement. So I'm going to take you on a quick tour of where we are today. You're going to see a mess. This is real life. Ryan's office is down there too. You can see all that in the home tour. I'll link it. What would you do to make this space more homey? Would you put your kid in the basement? That's the only way this house works. And I want that lake. My kids want that lake. And if I'm being really honest, the only one who complains about it, and I don't complain about it because I don't have to go in it, is me. But regardless, let's go check it out. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. We've taken out a lot of the toys out of the boxes. All the walls have been painted. Ryan installed these lights. Here's an automatic light in this room. And I think he did all those lights too. Ryan loves lighting. But how do I make this feel less basement-y and more like a home? And would you let your kids sleep in the basement? But Ryan's office is this way. But in my defense, I mean, this is a good size bedroom. For this like dream lake house life to work, we had to be able to utilize the basement. And I feel kind of funny like putting my son in the basement as like his bedroom, but hey Matthew.
Hi.
I got a couple questions for you.
Sure.
What do you think about living in the basement?
I like it. It's the only problem with it is it's tiring.
Why is it tiring?
Because it just gets your energy away when you're sleeping. I don't know if that's because I have to get up earlier.
That's probably because you have to go to school earlier here.
Okay.
So you like it?
Love it.
Do you wish your bedroom was upstairs, like Lindsay's?
I don't know. Like,
or do you like having your bedroom down there?
I guess I wouldn't mind anyway. Why though?
Just asking questions. Do you think it's mean that mommy and daddy have you in your bedroom downstairs?
Of course not. They have the biggest room in the house. Why would I think that's mean?
I don't know. Just wondering. Do you like our basement?
I just don't like the bathroom lights because they're like fluorescent lights.
Oh.
I think it's a little too dark in the bathroom.
Can be. Okay.
Is that it?
Yeah, do you like South Carolina?
You
You happy here?
Yep.
Love you.
Love you.